Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to turn VSync on or off in Paralives. Let's begin by opening Settings. In Settings, select Video and look for the vertical sync option. Here you can toggle it on or off. What does it do? This syncs your FPS or the frames per second to your screen refresh rate. For example, if your screen refreshes 60 times per second, this will lock your frame rate to 60 frames per second. This setting exists to eliminate screen tearing and similar issues. If you don't experience any of those, simply keep it turned off. This has a small but noticeable impact on the performance. Once you are happy with the choice, simply close the menu. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.